friends, welcome to my travel vlog. In this travel video episode, I'm going to take you to Great Rann of Kutch. Situated in Gujarat, India, it was my dream to visit Kutch during Rann Utsav. 10th festival happens during the month of November to February. Rann Utsav is an awesome festival of Kutch, Gujarat, India. It is a carnival of music, dance, nature, beauty of White Rann, and much more. I traveled to Kutch with my family by car. The best approach to reach Rann of Kutch is via Bhuj. Dodo is the gateway to the Rann. Nearest airport railway station to Kutch is in the city of Bhuj. Then hire a cab from Bhuj to reach Kutch. The best time to visit Rann Utsav is during the full moon. Kutch Rann Utsav is the shimmering landscape that gives the enchanting moments of this fest, which feels like as heaven on earth during festival time. In fact, it's a family holiday destination to explore fun moments and storing cameras for a lifetime. Once we got there, the first thing was to check in. I recommend to check in around 11 o'clock for that day so that you can start exploring the activities for the remaining day. The check-in tent is a really huge tent decorated with traditional look. Once we checked in, we were then taken to the tent by cart. There are a variety of tent accommodations are offered, regular with AC, premium, so there are few packages to choose from. The golf cart ride is just a lot of fun. Beautiful breeze. Tent City is a specially built temporary city that captures the ethnic beauty of rural Kutch while providing a memorable experience. Simple but very satisfying meal is served at the Rann Utsav. Shopping is fun as well. The festival hosts the activities like horse riding, ATV riding, and not only that, you can also do the tour of the entire camp area on bicycle. One can also go for various sightseeing activities like watching the flamingos, as this is the migratory season for these birds and it is bird watchers paradise. Also, one can go for the famous trek to Kala Dungar, which is a hill of sand dunes, and on the top of the hill you can visit the Dattatraya temple. Rann Utsav is the most eagerly awaited festival even on the international tourist map. After evening tea, we were taken for a visit to the White Rann salt desert to view the sunset. Camel cart ride is fun. The sunrise and the sunset at White Rann of Kutch, lovely sight to watch and absolutely stunning beauty of nature. One can dress up with local costumes for pictures or to join the dance. One can see the transformation of the sun, which shines bright and high during the daytime, slowly starts to mellow down and descend at the onset of the evening. The sunset at the Great Rann of Kutch is mesmerizing beyond words. The experience of sunset and the moonrise, where the dark sky meets the vast white land in the most mesmerizing way, a unique phenomenon that leads to this unique beauty. The moonrise at the white desert is something that you can't miss. A desert that sparkles at night. After the sunset view, when we returned to Rann Utsav tent, the view of the tent city was just spectacular at night. During Rann Utsav at Kutch, daily culture program with dance is arranged inside the tent city.
ડોકરી હું કામ નહીં પણ આવા રણ ઉત્સવમાં બેઠા હોય મિત્રો અને સ્ટેજ ઉપરથી કલાકારો જે રજૂ કરે એ મગજમાં ના ઉતારે તો ખોપરી શું કામ ભાઈ ભાઈ અલગ અલગ માણસોની ખોપરી હોય કવિએ કીધું છે કોઈ માણસ કોઈ મનખડા કોઈ ટાઢા ને ઢોર કોઈ માણસ કોઈ મનખડા કોઈ ટાઢા ને ઢોર કોઈ દરબારે દીપતા કોઈ સાહેબ ને ઘરના ચોર અને ઉપરવાળાને પણ ચોર થઈ જાય મિત્રો કચ્છમાં આવ્યા છે તો કચ્છનું એક લોકસંગીત છે જેનું નામ ઇન્સ્ટ્રુમેન્ટ છે જેનું નામ મોરચંદ લોખંડનું બનેલું છે અને એમાં એક નાનકડો લોખંડનો અક્ષરો 12 માસ મિત્રો. કચ્છને તમે ઉલટા અક્ષરો વાંચો, જેમ તારક મહેતાનો ઉલટા ચશ્મા કેમ છે, એમ ઉલટા અક્ષરમાં તમે વાંચો ને શબ્દોમાં, તો શું થાય? કચ્છને, કચ્છ અઢી અક્ષર, એને ઉલટા તમે વાંચો તો શું થાય? જ્યારે છક કરી દે અને કચ્છ કહેવાય, એટલે કચ્છડો કહેવાય. 12 માસ લીલો હોય.
I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching and see you soon.
હું બધા ભાગ છે જો આપણે બધા જીયાદ નથી હજુ તક